New Igaguri update in Blue Lock Rivals showcase. Do you want a free slot? Comment down below, Igaguri. So look at this trailer. First of all, we gotta mute it, okay? We gotta completely mute it, or at least make it so you don't get ear-raped. But we get the brand new showcase of the Igaguri right here, and you can see this guy is overpowered. Yo, look at the abilities. That is the intro trailer, okay? That is the intro trailer for Igaguri. Yo, that is insane. Look at that. He is extremely powerful. And we're just gonna go and show you the secret codes. Guys, if you do need a extra style spin, make sure you guys comment down below Igaguri right now. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll be gifting to you a extra slot. Let's go to the codes and redeem Igaguri code. So if you actually want to redeem the Igaguri code, you have to type in IGA and then is H here. So this will be the update code, okay? This will be the update code. This will be the actual update code right here. I can zoom it all the way in right here. Bang. As well as the monkey code. The monk code, okay? The monk. That is insane.